Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Latifatul Iza dari kelas PGMI 2A dengan NIM 23040210084. Di sini saya akan membacakan teks Tips for Winning Scholarship dari mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris. Tips for Winning Scholarship. A wise economist once said that there is no such thing as a freelance, which means that everything we want to get in this world has a cost. This idiom applies to every scholarship hunter. Scholarship make warrant the student who want to pursue their education a financial freedom. Yet the efforts to win a scholarship require hardship, determination, and commitment. The history of your institution, IAIN Salatiga, has recorded that a great number of lecturers and alumni have received various types of scholarship to continue their study both in Indonesian universities and foreign universities. This accomplishment have surely not only made all the members of IAIN Salatiga proud, but also brought the name of your institution in the same level with other prestigious universities in Indonesia. These accomplishments are also authentic proof that the members of IAIN Salatiga have the same possibility they get scholarship and any other candidate as long as they have a strong will to win them. Speaking about winning scholarship, there are some general tips shared by scholarship awardees, which will be discussed in the later conversation that was done via Skype. Please keep in mind that the tips are not meant to be a shortcut to get a scholarship. Instead, the tips should be understood and the minimum requirement that someone needs to meet in order to win a scholarship. The conversation below details the tips and advices for winning any scholarship. Anis. Hello Mr. Ahmad and Mr. Slamet. Congratulations for winning the scholarship to continue your master degree abroad. I am personally very proud of you. I have always looked up to both of you. I hope that I will be able to follow your accomplishment in the near future. Anyway, if you do know me, would you please share with you some tips or strategies to win the scholarship? Ahmad. Thank you Anis for imitating this Skype interview. I am more than happy to share with you all my experience in winning the scholarship that I currently myself. I will begin by telling you all that I am undergoing my master study at the University of Magister, majoring on TESOL sponsored by the Ford Foundation. The Ford Foundation scholarship is very competitive, and I was so blessed to win this scholarship. However, I think I deserve it because I had long prepared myself well before I won this scholarship. Okay, here are my general tips in winning the scholarship. 1. Start searching for scholarship as soon as possible. Do not wait until somebody tells you about scholarship opportunities. There are many chances that students very often miss half the deadline because then they find out about the scholarship too late. 2. Use a free scholarship matching service like Fastquip.com on others website. 3. Look for local scholarship on campus bulletin boards library, and career center. 4. Apply to every scholarship for which you are eligible. Never 3. To apply to a scholarship that you cannot meet the requirement. 5. Do not miss deadline and do not wait to submit your application until the last minute. Use a calendar and checklist to get organized. 6. Tailor your application to the sponsor course. Read and follow the instruction carefully. 7. Most scholarships require you to write an essay. Thus personalize your essay and be passionate. Write about something on interest to your study. Make your application stand out and unique. Talk about the impact that you will bring until you finish your study. On top of that, be specific of what you want to study. 8. Proofread your essay before you submit it. Make sure that the writing style looks professional. 9. Send the application by certified mail. 10. The last but not least, try. Let God dispose what you have proposed. That is all for now. My tips about winning a scholarship. Not let Mr. Slamet tell his experience. Slamet, thank you Anis for giving me this great opportunity to share my experience as well. I think Mr. Ahmad has made very good point in winning a scholarship. I make online have several additional tips to emphasize what Mr. Ahmad has said. But before that, I want to give a brief background about me. I graduated from IAIN Salatiga English Department in 2011. I am currently doing my master degree at Hyderabad University sponsored by the Indian government, majoring on English literature. Alright, here are my tips to add with what Mr. Ahmad has said. 1. Apply online if you are eligible. One of the most common requirements for any scholarship is the English proficiency score, either 12 or years. So, for example, if the sponsor requires a minimum of 500 on 12 and your 12 score is below it, do not even think about trying to apply. Otherwise, the sponsor will quickly deny your application. 2. Complete the application. Make sure that you properly fill out the question. Double check your application before you finally submit. 3. Submit a well-composed essay that makes a definite impression. This part is also one of the most important requirements that you cannot overlook. You need to have a clear mind of what you want to study and why you deserve the scholarship. Make sure you provide your essay to avoid grammatical errors. 4. Be aware of and meet a deadline on your guide. Do not wait to submit your application until the last minute. You never know what technical problem might occur when you send your application. Thus, give yourself enough time to submit your application before the deadline. 5. Lastly, believe in yourself. Your application will get the attention of the reviews. Those are some tips from me. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have further questions. Anis, thank you Mr. Ahmad and Mr. Slamet for sharing your tips with scholarship. These are very useful. Your tips really encourage who used to start preparing for yourself from now in order to win scholarship. We also hope that we can follow your success. Again, thank you very much for sparing your time to have an interview with us. See you and have a good day. Bye now, Ahmad and selamat. Bye. Demikian membaca bahasa Inggris saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.